Household items. Tools and supplies. A flathead screwdriver. A flathead screwdriver is a tool used to tighten or loosen screws with a straight, flat blade. It has a flat, wide head that fits into the slots of flathead screws. The screwdriver's handle typically provides a good grip and allows for easy manipulation of the tool. Flathead screwdrivers are commonly used in various applications, such as woodworking, electronics, and household repairs. They are especially useful when dealing with screws that have a single, straight slot on the top. It's important to remember that using the correct size of screwdriver is essential to prevent damage to the screw or the tool itself. Choosing a screwdriver that matches the width and depth of the screw slot is crucial for successful operation. A Phillips head screwdriver. A Phillips screwdriver has a head with pointed edges in the shape of a cross, which fit neatly into the cross slots of a Phillips screw. You can buy a Phillips screwdriver in 5 different sizes, ranging from 0 to 4, with 4 being the largest. If you like to build things yourself, you will probably need a few Phillips screwdrivers in various sizes, and having a cordless electric Phillips screwdriver in your tool set can really come in handy. Phillips screw heads allow a tighter fit than a flathead screw, which is why most factories and handymen use them. The screws tend to be lightweight and relatively small. Pliers. Pliers are a hand tool used to hold objects firmly, possibly developed from tongs used to handle hot metal in Bronze Age Europe. They are also useful for bending and physically compressing a wide range of materials. Generally, pliers consist of a pair of metal first-class levers joined at a fulcrum positioned closer to one end of the levers, creating short jaws on one side of the fulcrum and longer handles on the other side. This arrangement creates a mechanical advantage, allowing the force of the grip strength to be amplified and focused on an object with precision. The jaws can also be used to manipulate objects too small or unwieldy to be manipulated with the fingers. An electric screwdriver or power drill. A drill is a tool used for making round holes or driving fasteners. It is fitted with a bit, either a drill or driver chuck. Hand-operated types are dramatically decreasing in popularity and cordless battery-powered ones proliferating due to increased efficiency and ease of use. Drills are commonly used in woodworking, metalworking, construction, machine tool fabrication, construction, and utility projects. Specially designed versions are made for miniature applications. A hammer. A hammer is a tool, most often a hand tool, consisting of a weighted head fixed to a long handle that is swung to deliver an impact to a small area of an object. This can be, for example, to drive nails into wood, to shape metal, as with a forge, or to crush rock. Hammers are used for a wide range of driving, shaping, breaking, and non-destructive striking applications. Traditional disciplines include carpentry, blacksmithing, warfare, and percussive musicianship. Measuring tape. A tape measure or measuring tape is a flexible ruler used to measure length or distance. It consists of a ribbon of cloth, plastic, fiberglass, or metal strip with linear measurement markings. It is a common measuring tool. Its design allows for a measure of great length to be easily carried in pocket or toolkit and permits one to measure around curves or corners. Today it is ubiquitous, even appearing in miniature form as a keychain fob or novelty item. Surveyors use tape measures in lengths of over 100 meters. Level. Level, device for establishing a horizontal plane. It consists of a small glass tube containing alcohol or similar liquid and an air bubble. The tube is sealed and fixed horizontally in a wooden or metallic block or frame with a smooth lower surface. The glass tube is slightly bowed, and adjustment to the horizontal is indicated by movement of the bubble. The device is on a level surface when the bubble is in the middle of the glass tube. The level's sensitivity is proportional to the radius of the curvature of the glass. An assortment of nails for different sized jobs. Extra screws, nuts, and bolts in case you need to quickly replace any furniture hardware that goes missing. A toolbox. A toolbox could refer to several types of storage to hold tools. It could mean a small portable box that can carry a few tools to a project location or a large storage system set on casters. Modern toolboxes are predominantly metal or plastic. Wood was the material of choice for toolboxes built beginning in the early 19th century. Toolboxes can be mainly divided as 5 types. They are plastic, steel, aluminum, waterproof, cantilever. A step ladder. A ladder is a vertical or inclined set of rungs or steps used for climbing or descending. There are 2 types: rigid ladders that are self-supporting or that may be leaned against a vertical surface such as a wall, and rollable ladders, such as those made of rope or aluminum, that may be hung from the top. The vertical members of a rigid ladder are called stringers or rails, US, or stiles, UK. Rigid ladders are usually portable, but some types are permanently fixed to a structure, building, or equipment. They are commonly made of metal, wood, or fiberglass, but they have been known to be made of tough plastic. A box cutter. A small cutting tool that is designed for opening cardboard boxes and typically consists of a retractable razor blade in a thin metal or plastic sheath. Duct tape. Duct tape, a misheard form of the original name, duct tape, named for cotton duck, a type of canvas from which it's made, is cloth or scrim-backed pressure-sensitive tape, often coated with polyethylene. There are a variety of constructions using different backings and adhesives, and the term duct tape has been genericized to refer to different cloth tapes with differing purposes. A variation is heat-resistant foil tape, useful for sealing heating and cooling ducts, produced because the adhesive on standard duct tape fails and the synthetic fabric reinforcement mesh deteriorates when used on heating ducts. Electrical tape. Electrical tape, or insulating tape, is a type of pressure-sensitive tape used to insulate electrical wires and other materials that conduct electricity. It can be made of many plastics, but PVC, polyvinyl chloride, vinyl, is the most popular as it stretches well and gives effective and long-lasting insulation. Electrical tape for Class H insulation is made of fiberglass cloth. Extension cords. An extension cord is used to connect an electrical cord to the outlet if the main cable falls short. Extension cords vary in length and type of outlet plug. They can be anywhere in length from 2 feet to as long as 100 feet.